Are you seeing this right here? Like, honey, girl, this color, this style, honey, sensational. You did something right, girl. You did something right. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure out you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills up roads.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Lose some sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday sleeves, wig updates, and everything in between. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I am going to be doing a review, but it's also going to be a sort of side-by-side comparison video. So today the units that I'm going to be doing the comparison on are going to be the Neesha 203 and this lovely, gorgeous one that is on my head. This one is from Sensationnel. It's in the style Angel Face LS3006 and the color Money Piece Hazel. So if you're interested in seeing the side-by-side comparison and the construction of these units, just stay tuned for this video. Way too bright. I done lost some friends pretending they would do me right, just to do me dirty, hurt me surely out of spite. But I learned that early, so I referred them to a psych. May it burn me once, but you will never learn me twice. I done learned my lesson, blessing presence in the life. Living full of wealth about himself in their disguise. Inside the reflection, someone they don't recognize. And it's so ironic when you're living for the light. Pain just feels so chronic when you're living for the high. Eyes wide open shut because you're living like you're blind. They be biting what I'm writing. Stay behind when I'm igniting. They deny it cause they blinded. Ain't no hiding, no coinciding.
You like the way I wear designer Prada. What's your problem, holla? She make a mean mug and I can't stand to be kinda bothered. You tell me them lame facts as I lay back while I'm watching a holla. I'll never be giving a fuck. When are you going? I'm wishing you luck. With the way that shouty, I'm puffing the weed and I really can't see to be standing up past the Bacardi. I'm running amok and not giving a fuck. You a puppet, I'm wishing you wowed it. By the time you read this, I'll be leaving, fucking on top of the mountain. When do we copping the it? She be crazy, I'm so lazy. When we token, it's amazing. Let me put my feet up, y'all. I'm in the position to get you all lifted. I'll drink it if you getting drunk. I'm gonna lean a feed a penis until you're feeling it raw. And I don't need it either. Jesus here and I'm saving you all. I'll talk to you all in the mall.
They be biting what I'm writing. Stay behind when I'm igniting. They deny it cause they blinded. Ain't no hiding, no coinciding. Okay, you guys, so the cap construction with these units, you do get your typical 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. Both of them do come pre-plucked, and they also do have just that singular parting going right down the middle. The texture on both of them is kind of different. So for the Angel Face unit, the one that I'm wearing right now, it's more of a light Yaki, and the Neesha is more of a natural Yaki texture, so definitely keep that in mind. The density on this one definitely does feel a bit thinner than the Neesha. The Neesha, I want to say, is along the lines of 150 to 180. This one definitely seems like it's around the realm of 130 to 150%. Also, the cap size on this unit
finally they're listening to us. This cap size definitely is small, medium, and big head friendly. The style was super easy to get. I literally didn't have to do any work but throw it on my head. I brushed it down a little bit, but other than that, I literally didn't do anything. Like I did say, it did come with the baby hairs, and I feel like the hairline does look pretty nice, like sensational. You guys are giving it to me in this color. Like, girl, this, I love this color. I've tried this color before on the Sensational Celeste, I believe it was, and I kind of liked it, but with this, girl, oh my god, I'm living for this unit. Oh, and also the length on it is coming like just to my boobs. I feel like it definitely does have a very natural length, very natural density. I feel like this is gonna definitely be hands down a wonderful everyday slay for sure. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what it's looking like. So I know I usually do come to you guys with the pros and the cons, but honestly, I really can't say I have any cons about this unit. I know this is just an initial review. I don't know how it will hold up over time, but by the feel of it, I definitely do feel like this one will be a keeper, especially because this is a colored unit and it is feeling really nice. Like, look at this, honey. I'm not getting no tangles. I didn't have any shedding. The hairline is great. The baby hairs, they had just enough baby hairs. The lace is blending well. Actually, I probably could use some more concealer. I didn't go in and put it on the top. I just put it underneath. Let me just go and add a dash of concealer. Yes, Ray, honey, sensational. You're getting me back into your good graces again. Like, yes, you guys, I love this unit. I really do. And if I had to pick a winner of this one over the Neesha, this one or the Neesha, I'm gonna have to say I would go with this one. Like, to be honest, I think I definitely will go with this one because I feel like they are hitting it. They're hitting it with the cap size. They're hitting it with the density, the texture, the baby hairs, the lace. Like, I am all here for it. I definitely think I would pick this one over that. But if you did want to look like this but with thicker hair and more of a Yaki texture, I would suggest the Neesha. But if you're looking for something that's perfect right in the middle, it's going to be beginner friendly, throw on and go, everyday wear, honey. Do you need to see it again? Like, yes, I would suggest this one. So let me know how you guys feel about it. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer this color? Do you like it in the natural color? And also, do you prefer the angel face or do you prefer the Neesha? Because I think they're both beautiful, but honey, sensational. You did something right, girl. You did something right. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.